In this video, we are working with the stunning quartz amethyst, one of the most popular and beautiful variety of quartz. The process begins with the shaping the stone on the sand plate. Here we carefully drill the rough edges and clear the basic outline of the gem. This step requires patience and precision, as the goal is form the perfect symmetry for the final cut. Once the shape is refined, we move to the copper plate for the polishing. The copper surface combined with the fine polishing compound gradually remove scratches and bring out soft shine on the surface of this stone. Step by step, the amethyst begins to reveal its natural color and internal glow. Every rotation of the plate and every touch of the hand matters in this stage. It's where craftsmanship truly meets art. After the polishing is complete, the stone is still attached to a wax stick used for holding it in place during the process. To remove the gemstone, we gently heat the wax until it melts and separates from the stick. This is the final moment when the gemstone is freed and full brilliance is revealed. The result is a beautiful polished quartz amethyst ready to be admired or set into a fine piece of jewelry. From rough to radiant, every gemstone tells a story of nature, patience, and human touch.